I don't even know how this is gonna go. Yeah. Moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. What's up YouTube? It is your girl Spechel Nicole and I am back with another video. This is gonna be another styling video. I was inspired by one of you all who commented on one of my past videos and suggested that I do a loose rod set on my Microlocs since they have grown. So tonight, y'all don't know it's nighttime. Tonight, that is what I'm going to do using Flexi rods. I've never used Flexi rods on my Microlocs before. This is gonna be new. It's probably gonna be a challenge, but we're gonna try it out and see how it goes. So let's get started. So I got these Flexi rods from my local beauty supply store. It is a bag that has like all these different sizes. I think I got it. It was a good deal. I think it was $17 and it has all of these different ones in it. It says 42. So all the different sizes, because I don't know what size I'm really going to need. And it was cheaper to get this versus buying 4 or 5 packs of the ones that are like $4 a piece. So this is what I have. So Flexi rods, water, my foam. I'm using the same Tilio Wahi Crinkles and Curl Natural Hair Setting Lotion. A little bit of oil because I washed my hair a couple of days ago and I never oiled it afterwards. Still have not done my retie, so that is on this weekend's to-do list. But tomorrow I want to be cute. I'm going to hang out with my girlfriend. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into sections. Let's see how this is going to go. I have, out of the packet, I picked up 5 different sizes. There's a green one is 5/16 of an inch. Those 3/8 is half. Blue is 9/16 and orange is 5/8. But I think these might be my best bet. So I'm starting the back because I'm going to use the larger section first. So I'm going to try an orange one. Yeah, I don't know. She kind of thick. So I already sprayed. I'm going to grab a section. Add my foam. I'm rusty, y'all. I ain't curled my hair in so long. I don't even remember. Alright, it's been a while since I used Flexi rods, so I'm rusty, y'all. Hold your mule. The trick for a Flexi rod so you'll be able to sleep at night is do the horseshoe method. So go ahead and bend it like this, and you'll take your section you want to work with and you'll put it on top. Like so. Split the section that you have in half, and then you'll wrap one section around 1/2 of your horseshoe like this, and then this isn't gonna work, and do the other half the same way. But I've never used Flexi rods on locks so they don't stick like I need them. And there. And just bend the ends. I'm gonna do the back and I'll come back when I move to the center area so that I'll show you how I use the next size. Y'all, I don't even know. This is stressing me. Stressing me. Look, they don't stay. Stressing the mess out of me. I don't even know. Don't even know how this is gonna go. I'm gonna keep rolling and we're gonna see. They rolled all types of different ways. All types, just trying to get them to stay. Yeah, this may be a fail, but I'm gonna keep going. Let me tell you, I'm so happy to be on this last section. These Flexi rods give me a run for my money. Like, this is one style where I'm very unsure of how it's going to come out, if it comes out to be anything. So if you watch this video, you're either going to see a bomb loose rod set, or you're going to see me finesse how to style your hair when it doesn't go right. So I know I haven't really showed y'all much of me actually doing my hair, so I want to show y'all me rolling it up now. So I just did the last perm or flexi rod. Y'all, we gonna see how this goes. I have concerns. But as you saw, I had told y'all the horseshoe method in the beginning of this video, but that doesn't seem to work on my Microlocs. That's the way that I used to do when I had loose natural hair, and it worked all the time. It does not work for these. So I had to just roll it, and we're gonna see what we get. They rolled all types of different ways, so all the curls are gonna probably look different, but we're gonna see what we get. And then these back here are like what I call my kitchen locks, so they're shorter than the rest of the back of my hair, so they can't really, it would hurt to add them to the flexi rods, so I just left them out hanging, because you see they're tiny, but they have grown a lot because they were like this. But yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all in the morning, and we'll do the takedown together and see how this came out. Okay, it's the next morning, time to do a takedown. Are y'all nervous? Because I am. So I'm gonna just unravel and we'll see what we got, if anything. Oh, we got a little spiral. Take down the rest. Trying to make sure I'm right enough for y'all. Okay, it's not horrible. I got one more back here. Now we have to, what is it? It just needs some shaping. That's what we need here. I'm gonna take the, what is it? Talia Wahi Curl Hydrating Curl Shine. And I'm gonna just spray. And then I'm gonna put some of this the Talia Heat Healing Oil on my hands since I'm going to be separating the curls and just to keep them from getting too frizzy. And yeah. The final look. I mean, it works. She's done. I think, I don't know, I have to find a better way to roll the flexi rods, but overall it's a look. It works for the day. I'm not mad at it. It's different. So comment down below what y'all think about the look. If you've ever used flexi rods on your Microlocs before, or if you want to, chat with me down below. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up look and then I'm heading out. So I will chat with y'all on the next video.